tinggi tinggi. Tinggi lagi.
Sudah bro, jangan lebih bro.
It's raining man.
Brr, cabbage brr. Right, currently we are here outside Desa Farm in Kundasang. Yeah, there's the Kundasang city, I think so, maybe. And then look at that view, man. Oh my God, man, and there's a dog. Ya, ini dia suasana di kawasan Kundasang Dairy Farm. But Kundasang Dairy Farm is on the left there. So it's been a while, we are still going up. So yeah, to go to the Desa cattle farm, we need to go so up, So guys, currently we are here in the Cow Dairy Farm in Kundasang. Yeah, we're on top of the mountain, like not on top lah, sadang lah. So sana there's the top of the mountain, yeah. And it's so cold here, adding that now it's raining. Right here we are in Desa Dairy Farm, Kundasang, Kota Kinabalu. Udah bersama saya ya, Gina sekarang berada di Desa Cattle Farm, Kundasang. Ini sekarang hujan. Kita masuk sini dulu sebentar. Purchase their ice cream, milk ice cream, yogurt for $505.30. So here's the sausage, the milk. Yeah, currently it's raining here. Let's go, we're going to the calf pen. Like here, as you can see. Right. So currently already sudah sana. So now we're going to the cow barn. Eh. So bro, it's only until 2 p.m. So if you guys want to go there, you have to go before 2 p.m. Like no saying. Right, bro. I think that's all from Desa Farm from us. Yeah.
So we are finished at the Desa Dairy Farm. But yeah, that's all. There's a lot of interesting places over here. It's a very nice view. Even though it's rainy, I think you can see a lot of cows and then farms. Very interesting, and then we can see a rainbow at the bottom of your heart. So we're going to Kinabalu Park, is it?
Yes.
Oh yes.
Let's go.
Let's go.
So we just arrived here in Kinabalu Park. Currently it's raining, so we're just gonna be here just for a while. Kinabalu Park. Welcome. Right, as you can see the back there, that's the Kinabalu Park, but we're not going there because it's raining and it's late already, and we have to go back to KK before night time. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, bagus hiking the takit bro.
Gila, ulit tangannya. Jauh ha?
Jauh bro.
Ada bro. Ya, kau tulah.
Tulahan ba, tulahan. Gile. Yeah guys, we make a short pit stop over here at in front of the mountains. Like that's the Mount Kinabalu itself. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a very nice view, but I think there's a beautiful rocky mountain. It's around berapa kilometer atas?
8 lah.
It's roughly, you can check Google also, but as you can see a waterfall, water, and to the left there is I think a sunset view, but sunset view, but it's not really clearly seen today. But what is this, bro?
Banyak nyamuk bro.
There's no nyamuk, never mind.